Protect your heart naturally. Best workouts and foods for heart health. Welcome back to Health and Fitness University. Today we're diving into something vital, your heart. Your heart pumps about 100,000 times a day to keep you alive. But are you doing enough to keep it strong? In this video, we'll show you the best foods, top workouts, and simple lifestyle tips to protect your heart naturally. No pills, no hype, just real effective habits. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and let's jump right in. Let's start with the kitchen, because your plate is your heart's first line of defense. Here are the top foods for a healthier heart. 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and collards are rich in vitamin K and nitrates, which help lower blood pressure. 2. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and improve blood vessel function. 3. Oats. Full of soluble fiber, oats help reduce bad cholesterol levels. 4. Fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel provide omega-3s that help prevent blood clots and irregular heartbeats. 5. Olive oil. Swap out butter or margarine for extra virgin olive oil. It supports healthy cholesterol levels. Cut back on processed foods, trans fats, and added salt. Your heart will thank you. Now let's get moving. Your heart is a muscle, and like any muscle, it needs exercise to stay strong. 1. Brisk walking or jogging. Just 30 minutes a day of walking can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease. 2. Cycling. Riding a bike improves circulation and strengthens your cardiovascular endurance. 3. Swimming. A full-body workout that boosts your heart rate without stressing your joints. 4. Yoga. Not only does it improve flexibility, but it also lowers blood pressure and stress levels. 5. Dancing. Fun, uplifting, and gets your heart pumping. What more could you want? Remember, aim for 150 minutes of moderate cardio per week, but even small steps matter. Now let's talk about lifestyle. The everyday habits that silently shape your heart's future. 1. Prioritize sleep. 7 to 9 hours a night reduces your risk of high blood pressure and heart attack. 2. Manage stress. Chronic stress raises your cortisol levels, which can damage blood vessels over time. 3. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Both are major risk factors for heart disease and stroke. 4. Stay hydrated. Water helps maintain healthy blood volume and pressure. 5. Check labels. Watch for hidden sugars and sodium in packaged foods. Your daily choices add up. Make sure they're working for your heart, not against it. Your heart is more than a pump. It's the rhythm of your life. Feed it right, move your body, and create habits that nurture its strength. You don't need perfection, just progress. A healthy heart is built one step, one bite, one breath at a time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you love, because heart health is something we all need. And don't forget to subscribe to Health and Fitness University for weekly tips to help you live longer, stronger, and better.